Getting an incredible home-cooked family dinner on the table shouldn't mean dealing with a chaotic kitchen full of rattling valves, manual heat adjusting, and a terrifying blast of hot steam when it's time to eat. If you are ready to completely eliminate that old-school kitchen stress and speed up your meal prep by up to 70%, then this is exactly what you have been looking for. Today, we are breaking down the all-new Instant Pot Duo plus 8-quart Whisper Quiet 9 in one electric pressure cooker. This heavy-hitting multi-cooker completely modernizes countertop cooking by packaging professional-grade culinary features into a premium stainless steel frame. Click the link below for the best price available right now, and let's jump straight into why this is the ultimate upgrade for your kitchen. The absolute showstopper feature on this upgraded Duo Plus model is the revolutionary Whisper Quiet Steam release technology. Traditional pressure cookers can be incredibly loud and intimidating when they vent, but this advanced design completely diffuses the steam, making it the quietest release cycle on the market. Even better, it features a safe, one-touch remote release button built into the panel, meaning your hands stay completely clear of the steam zone for total peace of mind. Navigating your meals is incredibly simple thanks to the large, angled digital control panel that features a real-time cooking progress bar, clear step-by-step instructions, and 25 customizable smart programs that make everything from quick weeknight meals to complex recipes entirely foolproof. This 9-in-1 powerhouse completely replaces a crowded counter full of appliances, functioning as a high-speed pressure cooker, a gentle slow cooker, a dedicated rice maker, an automated yogurt factory, a steamer, a sterilizer, and a sauté pan. Inside, it features a heavy-duty, food-grade 18/8 stainless steel inner pot with a tri-ply bottom that provides perfectly uniform heat distribution, along with an anti-spin design that locks the pot in place so it won't rotate when you are browning meats or stirring ingredients. With a massive 8-quart capacity, it effortlessly yields up to 8 full servings in a single cycle, making it the absolute gold standard for large families, weekend gatherings, or high-volume weekly meal prep. Instant Pot has also completely bridged the gap between hardware and culinary inspiration by giving you access to the official companion app loaded with over 800 chef-curated recipes, guided tutorials, and macro tracking tools to completely eliminate dinner boredom. When dinner wraps up, cleanup takes only seconds because the entire inner stainless steel pot and the sealing lid are completely dishwasher safe. If you are ready to fire yourself from manual stove monitoring, reclaim hours of your evening, and enjoy perfectly tender pot roasts, fluffy grains, and nutritious family meals at the touch of a single button, the Instant Pot Duo plus Whisper Quiet is an absolute must-have. Click the link below to claim the absolute best price today. Drop a comment letting me know your favorite one-pot meal to prep, and I will see you in the next review.